Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jasper AI, create marketing content with AI step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jasper AI website. On the home page, locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Sign In button. After a few moments, you will be taken to your Jasper AI dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, where you'll find options to create new content. To start creating marketing content, click on the Templates tab on the left side. Browse through the various templates available for different types of content. Select the template that best suits your marketing needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your specific requirements. Once your information is entered, click on Generate to create your content. Review the generated content and make any necessary adjustments. When satisfied, you can copy the content or export it as needed. You are now ready to utilize Jasper AI to enhance your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.